guys, it's time to get a Beyblade. Nalis niyo ba ako sa mga Beyblade burst natin? Kaya naman, ibang Beyblade burst naman to boy. This Beyblade burst is actually the, good part. Binibilisan ko pa para hindi niyo po makita. It's a surprise po. Lang ayus. First Beyblade is, I don't know, but ano niyo guys, baka pwede yung comments dyan, sabihin niyo kung pangalan nito. The driver is kinda good because he got metal. How do you think? Is it good or bad? The layer disc is actually pretty good. It's actually a stamina and defense. Super smooth too. How is it good? Good or bad? This is it. I think this is actually bad for me because it's resistant. Yeah, even like see this? That's like a burst resistant. See? But I still is good and bad. Now, try the second Beyblade. This is Unique Achilles. I actually just painted. Sorry guys, but this is Unique Achilles. Three modes. Mine is this is the stamina, defense, boost, and attack. But this is actually pretty good because if the base gets hit here, they will burst. And this is actually pretty good. And I will just get a good. And this is actually good. How do you think those two? Good or bad? And the layer, layer, actually pretty good because you get some sword. And this is pretty good because you can, if someone just getting his way and slash it, they're gonna burst. The real result. Spin test. First, in low speed, this is the spin. Oh, wait. In low speed, this is the spin. It's just stay and just do that.